You have data which you and your coworkers want to use for reporting to other employees, managers, investors, or those outside your organization, but you are unsure how to arrange that raw data so that your analysts can display it in a meaningful way. You need to build a data model. How do you do that? What are the steps to put all that data together from multiple sources? EnterOne can show you how. Our Power BI Data Model Design course is a one-day class which enables you to create the data models that are the basis for building Power BI reports. Learn how to connect to many different data source types to build your data model and to transform the data, connecting, correcting, and preparing your data as it comes into Power BI. We look at locally stored data, network data, and cloud sources to build data models and even combine multiple sources together. All of this without altering the actual data sources themselves. You learn to extend the data by creating new content from scratch or based on your current data to simplify the report building process for your analysts and to keep your data models current as the data changes at the source. Our Power BI courses give you hands-on experience with live guidance from a certified trainer. Whether you take our courses online or in person, our trainers answer your specific questions and give you assistance when you need it. We offer a lab environment that keeps the course data separate from your company's production content, so you can feel secure when trying new things. After the class is over, we offer post-class resources, including a student manual and access to the exercise files so you can continue learning and practicing. Sign up for one of our open enrollment courses, or you and your coworkers may want to arrange for a private course that fits your schedule, or even on-site at your location. We teach classes in all time zones around the world. EnterOne helps users become power users with role-based training.